Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris down here at the Mellow Vapes and Statesville coming at you with another product video. And today we're going over the OBS Cube Kit. Yes, I did the video on the Cube by itself. Really nice looking little mod. Now they have a kit version of it. Comes with a nice little Baby B style tank, uses those type of coils. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the Poppy rendition. Has a nice little resin on it. And then whenever you open up, you're going to get your user manual and a little piece of paper. And there's the resin. Kind of have it sideways, but there you can see the poppy color, red, black, really nice looking. Got your fire button, your adjustment buttons, and your micro USB right there. Flip it over to the side. You have your screen right there. Might not be able to tell. It's kind of nice. All the one piece looking, sort of. 5 clicks on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OBS. And the screen's going to come up. Goes up to 80 watts, has a 3000 mAh battery life, really nice for a little mod like this, about the size of a single 18650, a little bit more depending on which one you use. But yeah, you have your ohms, your voltage, your puff counter, and your how long your last hit was. Got your watts right up there. Real nice. Over here you got just a flat resin piece, and you got the nice little cube logo right over there. Yeah, and to adjust it, you click the up button 3 times. It goes, there you go, you can see it's going all the way up to 80 watts, and then the nice thing about it, round robins. So if you're up at 80 watts and you switch to a different tank or something, you need to run lower wattage, just rounds right off, so you don't have to sit there and hold the button. Yeah. Then you have a tank with it. Nice little tank like right here. Uses Baby B style coils, comes with 2 mesh coils reading a 0.2 ohm. Got your airflow right here on the bottom, twist back and forth. Nice adjustable airflow. Got your 810 drip tip up on the top. Have a 4 milliliter capacity right here with a bubble glass. Comes with a spare glass, but it is a bubble glass, no straight glass. Then to fill this bad boy up, you're just going to do a half turn counterclockwise and lift up. There you go, you got your nice big fill ports right there. Then to put it back on, you just spin it around till you find the little notches, and then you turn it half turn. It locks all up. Nice sealed and contained. But yeah, this is the OBS Cube mod. Nice little starter kit, or if you're looking for something that's just nice and compact, it's a really good mod. Really nice looking, have a bunch of really cool colors. So if you're interested in this, come on down, give it a check out, and I'll see you guys around.